Hello everybody, like I don't know if you've seen my last video, like who is this guy? I'm Kubo Bonke, and ever since I was a child, and I am still a child, I wanted to be like a sort of glitchy thing. I know it's stupid, but yeah. So I made a channel called KB Glitch, but I found out that somebody else already took that name. So my channel name was gonna be KB underscore glitch. So that's who I'm. I also want to learn how to animate nicely because I usually just stand still. And yeah, that's it. I don't have that much subscribers. If you guys could subscribe, that would mean the world to me. And yeah, bye.